Can you see? Paplansyahin ko muna, guys, ha? Bago ko hampasin. What?
Ayoko na yan.
Game pa. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! So for today's video, naisip namin ni Eric na laruin yung isang Korean game which is called ABC. So actually, yung game na to, nalaro ko na rin to before nung high school ako with my Korean classmate nung nag-aaral pa ako. Guys, this is a Korean traditional game. So, ito pa yung mga games before. Siguro yung mga kanununuan ng mga Koreanong to. Isang attacker and then isang defender. Tapos actually pwede rin tong game na to into group, pero kasi since dalawa lang kami, so kami lang gagawa nito, attacker and defender and likewise. So yung mechanics ng game na to is that meron lang mga actions na dapat gawin. So for A, ang corresponding action niya is ganito lang, A, and then B is pa ganito. And then yung C, ganyan. And then D is ganito. So first, yung attacker to
Okay, so ganito yung laro. Okay? So, ang game na to is tinatawag na A, B, C, D also. Okay, so, ngayon, ganito itsura ng A. Okay? Ganito itsura ng B.
Pakita mo sideways.
Sideways, ganyan, no? This is C. And this is D. As in dog. Okay, so ngayon, one person is going to say like this. A, B, A. A, B, B. A, B, C, and D, and whatever. If your opponent has the same shape of hands with you, that means may punishment siya. Which is, pwedeng pitik sa mata, pwedeng pitik sa noo, pwedeng sampal sa mata.
Sampal sa mata? Ano yun?
Ayun, ganun yun. Kunwari, A, B, A. Tapos A rin lumabas, yung opponent ko. So, ibig sabihin, talo siya. Ganun yun. So ganun lang yung gameplay niya. Okay, gets nyo na. Mga Chingu.
Chingu. Mga Chingu. So, anong tawag sa Korean yung game na to?
ABC game.
ABC. ABC. Ulit.
ABC game.
ABC game. Okay. Okay, mga Chingu, it's ABC game.
Chingu.
Okay, round 1 lang muna. So, yung mananalo dito, anong get what?
Bring me a glass of water.
Water. Okay, game.
Yes.
Sample muna.
So, I'll go first.
You go first.
So, it's called the attacker.
Attacker.
A, B, C. So, take turns ito,
A, B, D.
B. Hala.
It's ganito. No, it's ganito.
You saw it, guys.
It's ganito. It's ganito.
This is not existing.
No. This is
an unknown letter.
Or
I'm a gamer.
No.
I'm a gamer, babe. If you lose, then you lose. No forgiving, even though you're
one
my
more.
friend.
A, B, C.
I can predict your moves. A, B, A.
A, B, A.
A, B, B. Again. Napakabago. That's the punishment she will get. Sampal. That's how the game goes.
Okay, one more.
Hanggat may susuko, tuloy pa rin ang laban.
A, B, A.
Hala!
B pala to.
Mali.
Tanga. B pala to.
Mali.
Tanga.
You saw it, guys.
B pala yun.
Punishment again.
Okay. A, B, B. You saw it. Nagkamali siya. Punishment time. Wait lang, paplansyahin ko muna. Wala yun. Wala yun. Bawal yun.
Pwede yun.
Bawal
May hanong Pinoy dito. Yung ginaganyan.
Bawal yun.
Sige.
Okay, paplansyahin ka muna.
A, B, A.
Ay, wala pa yun.
Bakit?
A, B, A? Oo, nagsiya ko.
Kaya nga, wala.
Tama na. A, B, C.
Hala, mali na naman. I'm telling you guys, one more tutorial. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D.
Yeah.
So what she said a while ago, this is letter C. So you're wrong again. Punishment.
Sorry.
If you're a true gamer, ABC. Ah.
ABB.
Ah. ABB. Ah.
ABA.
Ah. Oh no. I'm losing.
Can you see? Paplansyahin ko muna, guys, ha? Bago ko hampasin. What?
Ayoko na yan.
Game pa.
Tama na. Ayoko na yan.
Game pa.
Tama na. Okay.
Yeah, it is another game. Okay.
So we have the game called Kai Bai Bo. In Philippines, we call it rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper,
Jack and
scissors.
Poy.
Jack and Poy, yeah.
A lot of Pinoys are saying, what is this? Is that a gun? Actually, this one, this sign
In
is
Korea.
a scissor.
In Korea. So that's what you see in most Korean game shows like Running Man, 2 Days and 1 Night. Yeah. Okay, so we will play Kai Bai Bo or Bato Bato Pics or Duck and Poy or Rock Paper
This is
Scissors.
very common.
Yeah, Kai Bai Bo. This is scissors.
This is scissors also.
Yeah. Kai Bai Bo.
You lost.
Okay, so what's the punishment? We will play this until first to make 10 points will win 100 pesos. Okay? So
What?
yeah, 100 pesos. We'll get 100 pesos. Okay?
So, the first to get 10 points, ang unang naka 10 puntos, will get 1,000 pesos.
No, 100 only.
1,000
Props
pesos.
lang yan.
So, first to make 10 points. First round. Kai Bai Bo. Okay, 1 point. Kai Bai Bo. Kai Bai Bo.
Ang bano. Ba't ang bano mo ya? Chingu, this girl is so bano. She's very not good.
Kai Bai Bo.
Hala, delay ang
No,
daya.
no, no.
Sige,
Oh,
pagbigyan.
one.
Kahit ang daya pagbigyan.
Kai Bai Bo. 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 Kai Bai Bo.
Wait,
Kai Bai Bo. Kai Bai Bo. Kai Bai Bo. Kai Bai Bo.
Wait.
Oh, 5 ka pa lang. Kai Bai Bo.
Wait.
Kai Bai Bo. 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 No! I have 100 pesos from you. Okay, no, that's mine. Pero I won the game. I won the game.
I won the game. I'm the winner. I'm the true gamer. I'm the true.
It's done, guys.
Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
For more Chingu moments.
For more Chingu moments like this.
Chingu. Chayka, Chinguya, chayka.
Yeah, if you want to.
If you guys have any questions or any
Suggestions.
anything, any like any challenges you guys want us to do,
Yeah.
just comment below and we will do the damn challenge for you guys. Okay? Great.
You say to like and subscribe to my channel for more Chingu moments like this. So, can you translate in Korea like and subscribe to the channel?
Subscription 버튼을 눌러주시고 좋아요 같이 눌러주시면 감사하겠습니다.
And see you next time.
다음에 봐요. 바이바이 친구.
See you next time, Chingu.